Alright, so hello and welcome back to another video. Today I guess is kind of like part 2 of pulling the old engine apart of my car, but I'm also picking up the new one this afternoon. Just waiting for Josh to come over now. Got to pull the radiator and stuff out. Pulled the thermo fans out yesterday, pulled the radiator out today so that we can get to the harmonic balancer. So we can take the front of the timing cover off, and then we can take the head off this one, and then have a look at the damage that it did. But yeah, so let's get to doing that. Alright, so I stopped my time lapse because this is actually a very big pain to get my radiator out. I'm sure there's an easier way to get it out than what I did, but there's all these hoses and stuff and all this crap which made me put coolant everywhere through my engine bay, and also because of my intercooler pipe I had to take my headlight out to take my intercooler pipe off because it was out here covering this little bit, so I couldn't get it past that. But yeah, now Josh is here.
What's going
Classic
on?
zoom in his face. And so we're going to go and get the new engine now. So that video of picking up my engine was only like 3 minutes long, so I'm going to continue it today. That was not yesterday, the day before. Yesterday I didn't even do anything on the car, but today I don't start until 2 o'clock because I'm doing night shift, so I thought I'd just start pulling apart this car a little bit more, get the exhaust manifold and turbo and everything off maybe, but we'll see how it goes. So alright, so I just broke my freaking ratchet. It's not ratcheting anymore, it's just stuffed. I don't have another one, so I'm gonna get a spinner and try and take the turbo off, but I'm not getting a spinner to take that intake manifold off, so until I get a new one of these. So having very unsuccessful time. I can't even get to that bolt down there with the spinner, and yeah, these spinners are too small. I need to try and lever off other crap, so I can only get some bolts undone. I'm not going to be able to get everything undone, so I'm just going to go to Super Cheap now and get another ratchet, and maybe a breaker bar so I can keep pulling crap off. And yeah. Alright, I went and did some shopping. Got our ratchet and a breaker bar and some spinners. I don't even know what you call these things, ratchet spinners with this little turn and end thing on it. So Alright, I'll cut some of that time lapse out because I had a bit of trouble trying to get a bolt that's all the way down and under here, down here, to try and get that out. It was a headache and a half, but I think it's finally ready to come out, so give it a go. And then I'll try and start the turbo, but don't really have too much time left today because I got to work soon. So alright, so I got the intake manifold off and I took the fuel rail off while I was at it, and I started to take loosen up some of these bolts for the exhaust manifold, but there's a bolt right under there that I fucking can't get undone, and it's dual made in. It seems that some of the bolts are tight, some of them are loose, but it's the ones in shit places that are tight, and the ones that are loose are easy to get to places. So don't know how that works, but that's what happens. And also can't get this bolt undone, so I want to try and undo these four and undo the manifold so I have more leverage room, because I'll keep hitting this before I can crack it. But yeah, now I'm having trouble to get that one bolt undone. Every single other one I got loose, so fun times. Alright, so I know this is already going to be a shorter video than I'd hoped, but yeah, I'm going to finish it here because I don't finish work until midnight tonight, and then I'll probably do a different video tomorrow of taking the head off this car or this motor, and maybe the other motor as well. But yeah, so if you've enjoyed, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.